Hey guys! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a realistic fake scar for a Halloween party or your other creative projects. I'll show you 3 different ways how to do it, but in this video I'll cover only one of them. Alright, let's go! So the first option is probably my most favorite because it's so easy to work with this product. I'm gonna use Collodion. You can get it easily and quite cheaply almost anywhere on Amazon or makeup stores or theater stores. So first I'm gonna draw a beautiful scar. You can use lipstick pencils and choose any color you want. After that, we're gonna apply the first layer of collodion, but make sure that you do it in a very well ventilated area because the smell is just horrific and it can affect you in a bad way. Also, just in case, don't put it into your mouth or your eyes, and actually try to avoid the area around your mouth and eyes. Like, be really careful because it can affect you. And also probably you want to do an allergy test before to see how your skin reacts to this product. So that was the first layer. Just squeeze your skin a little bit just to help it to form a texture. So you can wait till it gets dry and then apply the next layer. So you see it's already getting some volume, though it's just like 2 layers. So you probably can see I have tears in my eyes, just a little bit, because of these like really strong chemicals and the smell, so really be careful with it. Oh, I love when it's getting this volume. It looks so realistic already, but I think I'll put some more layers. Can you see the result? Yeah, it's already looks so cool. You can actually leave it like this if you're in a hurry, if you don't want to do anything with it anymore. I think it already looks good. But if you want to make it even better, I'll show you what to do. So the next step, I'm gonna apply a translucent powder just to get rid of the shine. Okay, after that you apply a little bit of a concealer. You can use any. Just a little. And then just blend it with a wet sponge. So now it doesn't look so fresh, it looks like it's a bit healed already. After that you can take some eyeshadows or pink powder and just apply some color to it. Also you can highlight the edges of the scar with a concealer or light eyeshadows. So to this base you can add as many details as you want. For example, to make it more bright or more pale, or some damaged skin just around. So now I think it looks more infected and more cool. So you can transform it into anything you want and be really creative in this part. Now, when the scar is done, I'm going to show you how to remove collodion properly so you won't damage your skin. Some people say that you can just peel it, but I wouldn't do it, especially if you really care about your skin, because you just put it at risk. Instead of that, you better use a collodion remover. You just simply apply it the same way as you applied collodion to your scars. And in a while it will help to dissolve it. After that you can apply a makeup remover, and it's better to pick oil base, the strongest one that you usually use to remove waterproof makeup. And as you can see, it's already coming off naturally. Now it's much easier to peel it. And you won't get that deep marks. Yeah, try to do it gently so you don't damage your skin much. It might be just a little bit painful if you put a lot of layers. So as many layers you put, as more deep it gets, and it becomes harder to remove it. As you can see, there are some red marks here, but don't worry, It's absolutely normal. They should disappear in a couple of hours. I've done it many times and it's never been a problem. Just make sure you don't keep collodion for more than a couple of hours, otherwise you might have some real problem with your skin. Anyway, if you're really worried about this product, I recommend you to do research on this, to Google, and just to check and that you understand everything and the consequences and how to use it. Alright, see you then in the next videos. Bye!